friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today is a very exciting day. It's the day in which we unbox my Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of January. So I know I just uploaded one of these unboxings, but this month is a little bit crazy and I wanted to get the January box up for you guys early in case you're interested in getting one. For those of you that don't know, the Stitch Fix subscription service is a monthly, quarterly, I think yearly subscription service of clothing that you get sent, picked out for you personally by a stylist. I get mine every couple of weeks, or I think monthly, hence why I have so many of these videos here on my channel, but you guys seem to enjoy them, hence why I'm here doing them. So, like I mentioned, this is my box for January. It's a pretty big box, as you guys can probably see, and usually that means there's shoes inside. So, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this. So, yes, I was right. We got shoes. So, here we are. I'm gonna do the quick unwrapping and I'll be right back so we can talk about all the good stuff inside. So let's start with the most exciting things, and of course those are the shoes. I've gotten a couple pairs of shoes over the last couple months from Stitch Fix. I've only kept one pair, and full transparency, I actually haven't. Ooh! Well, I was just gonna say I've only kept one and I haven't worn it that much, but these are cute, and these are definitely my kind of shoe. Ooh, I like these. Okay, so these are clearly some cute little like tan brown booties. They have two zippers on the sides. I'm assuming this one's the more like actual use one, and this one's more of like the outside decorative one. These are really, really cute. These are by a brand called Violet and Red. Let me find the little like, oh, here we go. So these are the Violet and Red Karley Suede booty in dark gray size 7, which is my typical size. These look like a big 7 though. Am I crazy? I don't know, but they're really cute. I'm excited to try them, and as always I will do in this next portion of the video a try on so you guys can see everything on my body. So next I'm gonna put these down here. Okay, next we have a cute pair of jeans. These are very light wash, very stretchy pair of denim. Again, I've gotten a few pairs of jeans from Stitch Fix, some of which have gone a little bit better than others as time has gone on. These are super stretchy, which can kind of be a good or bad thing, but these are the Vigos Marissa Skinny Jean in Indigo size 0. So again, pretty light wash, kind of not distressing, what are these things called? Like fading in the front. Normally I'm not a super huge fan of jeans that are this light. I tend to always gravitate towards a slightly darker shade of jean, but as always, we'll try it on and see what we think. Next, we have, ooh, this is cute. I don't know what this is, but I like it. Looks like a sweater of some kind. Oh, okay. Interesting. So I wrote in, I think if you guys saw one of my last boxes, that I don't like turtleneck kind of sweaters, and they sent me another turtleneck sweater. So we'll have to try this on and see what we think. But this is actually really cute. This is definitely more of a material vibe that I like. It definitely looks kind of like a preppy, like East Coast kind of sweater, which I really like. Again, we'll see how the turtleneck vibe goes. I'm not a big fan of turtlenecks, but again, you never know. But this is the Evolution by Cyrus Norda turtleneck plaid pullover in taupe size small. So it's a pretty big sweater, as you can see, pretty oversized. There's ruching at the end of the sleeves, which I really enjoy. It's kind of, it looks like it'll shed a lot. Like there's a lot of fuzzies that are coming off, if you can kind of tell. So I don't know how easy this is going to be to wash, which is kind of another thing, but we shall see. Again, one of my favorite things from Stitch Fix that I really enjoy getting these boxes for is I get items that I normally would never pick out for myself, and then some of them they end up being really great items. So this could be that case. Next, we have another striped item. this, oh okay, this is kind of cute. So this is a pretty basic black and white striped kind of heavy jersey material, just undershirt, plain shirt. It's actually kind of cute. It's got a nice heaviness to the fabric. It's pretty, it's not super sheer, but it's not like totally see-through either. And white tends to be a color I try to avoid because white for me tends to either be kind of a pain because you have to wear a nude bra with it, and or I tend to get things spilled on it. So we'll see how this goes. So this is the Market and Spruce Folsom Crewneck Knit Top in white, size small. Okay, and the last item of the 5 that you get in the box for this month is something interesting. I don't know how I feel about this box, guys. I'm gonna be honest. This is not my typical stuff that I love, but we'll see. So this looks like a, what even material is this? Like, not suede, but it's like a heavy kind of soft material. It's a leather jacket, not leather obviously, but like leather cut, like cut of a leather jacket. And this is interesting. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like holes in the back with the material. It's interesting. There's like the zips and the buttons, so it has a very like motor jacket kind of vibe. And this is the Market and Spruce Kandar Faux Suede jacket in black, size small. So again, we're gonna have to see what this all looks like on. So far, I'll be totally honest, the only thing I'm really loving with this box are the boots. So, per usual, we'll try everything on, see what I like, see what just looks awful and atrocious, and you guys can let me know down in the comments below what you like, what you don't like. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into that. Alright friends, per the usual, we're going to do a 3-item thing to start. This is that checkered square sweater. I actually am not mad at this. Looking at it in the camera though, it's not really doing me any favors. I think because, as per you all know, I've got a larger chest, so it's kind of making the lines of this a little bit more wavy, if that makes sense. Let's look at the jeans and the shoes. Ignore my messy room, please. Cute. So these are the jeans. They're a lighter wash, like I've said, than what I normally gravitate towards, but I actually really, really like them. They're a nice fit, they're comfortable, they're snug, they're a lot of stretch to them, which I also like. My thing is, will they just stretch out over time? And then I'm really into the shoes. I don't have anything like these. I think they're really comfortable. The heel is pretty low, which I like. Overall, pretty excited about this one. See, this is why we do these boxes. I actually really like this. This is so cute. It's basic, but I don't know. I really like it. This is just the basic black top. I'm apologizing in advance if you can see my bra underneath. And the kind of felt leather jacket. Actually recently just got rid of a bunch of my leather jackets, so this is nice to have something different that's a little bit lighter but more movable too. I really, really like it. Come on, you guys. Let me know down in the comments below which ones you liked. I know this is a little bit quicker of a try on, but I wanted to get this up quickly for you guys, so let me know what you guys think, and I'm excited about this box. There goes all my money. Alright guys, that's everything today for my January Stitch Fix. I hope you enjoyed. As always, please let me know down in the comments below which items you loved, which ones you think I should pass on, and I will let you guys know in the comments which ones I end up keeping and which ones I send back. So I hope you guys enjoyed and had a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you guys in my next video. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!